Welcome back. Seascan Maritime Academy at Chikali has violated the flag code of India. Every morning a torn tricolour is hoisted and is towered down every evening. This is a clear violation of the flag code of India, which says that a damaged or deshelled flag should not be displayed.
This is the Seascan Maritime Academy at Chikli. Have a look. The Indian flag, which represents the hopes and aspiration of the people of India, is flying high, but toned. Have a look. It is toned, but it is hoisted and towed in the same condition. This has been continuing from many days. This is a clear violation of Flag Code of India. Flag Code of India says a damaged or deshelled flag should not be displayed. Will the Maritime Academy correct itself? Or the authorities will initiate necessary action against the violators? A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Now news from sports. Sarvodaya Royals have taken the crucial first innings lead in the four-day finals of the GPL 3-Days cricket tournament. Resuming day 2 on 59 for 2, Sarvodaya had a few scares but held on to score 34-run first innings lead. Salgaonkar have made it a positive start to their second innings and have wiped out the deficit and taken a 41-run lead, losing 2 wickets.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Salgaonkar Sports Club will hope to salvage some pride in their second-last AFC Cup ground match on Tuesday at Fatorda. The Green Brigade face Al Aruba from Oman in their own backyard, won after taking just 1 point from their 4 previous group games. Salgaonkar, however, are struggling to put a squad together due to injury and suspension problems.
Not much in there for the taking for Karim Ben Sharifa's boys apart from playing for pride. Salgaonkar have been struggling in the AFC Cup largely due to a difference in the standard between the Indian club and the tough West Asian clubs in their group. A home draw against Uzbekistan's Neftchi gave Salgaonkar a point. A home defeat against Jordan's Al Wehdat in their last match finished Salgaonkar's chances of progressing. Ben Sharifa will hope that his boys come out fighting for pride on Tuesday. However, the club is battling a lot of suspension and injury problems, and this has hampered their preparations.
Overall, it's a mixed feeling because I feel we could do better. On the other hand, I also feel that the team, at least for 3 games, gave all out. So that's why tomorrow will be a challenge for us. We are playing against a team that is looking forward to win their last 2 matches to qualify. We are playing for pride and honor. We are playing for the name of the country, of the club. We still want to offer a very good performance. As I told you at the start, it's true we are struggling to put an 18-player squad because we have many players absent. We have Rokos and Keremba were suspended for this game. Chidi and Sueka, who are on a long-term injury and still didn't recover yet.
Al Aruba will need full points to strengthen their bid to make it to the next round. A reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dice.
Now don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. You can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.